Very quick bike check.
ODI long necks. With the People Pete Swear signature bars, 8.5 rise, 29 inch wide. Salt top loader stem. HQ Magic forks. Odyssey Vandera 2 front hub laced up to a McNeil Dubs rim. Tensile rear hub laced up to a Cinema rim. Federal seat. Animal seat post. Shadow Conspiracy chain. Colt plastic pedals. Blank select 2-piece crank. Salt sprocket. Colt bottom bracket. Colt headset. Colt D Heart tyre. Duraband tyre. Colt OSV free frame. Quick hub sound, very crisp hub. Very nice. Thank you YouTube, this is my first video. Please comment, rate, like and subscribe.